Boy, you can see the thrust of those huge jet engines are generating there, the vortices behind them. The roll looks like it's going just perfectly so far, right on the center line. The view from the ground just as spectacular as the view from the air. You can see those wings starting to cone up as it gains airspeed. This is just about to happen here. Look at this. You can hear the crowd in the background. I think you're good. They're going to disappear off in the fog here. Well, this is absolutely outstanding. You never know what to expect. Of course, there's a lot of technology here, a lot of new technology that Scott's been talking about. But you can see so far it looks like things are going perfectly. I'm not at all surprised to not see the gear come up yet. They're probably going through a real lengthy checklist now, making sure that everything is working as well as can possibly be working. Perfectly would be good, of course. But before they withdraw the landing gear there, kind of clean the airplane up, and you can see the two chase planes, one on either side there, moving in very close. It looks like they're going to be able to avoid the weather. It looks kind of murky off there in the distance.